Here's an update on Doc's Jeep. He has the center pin put back in the rear end. The fluid's in there. While the Jeep was in the shop, he swapped the lift kit from a Jeep he just bought from his brother over. His other lift was sagging on one side. So this is I believe a 4-inch skyjacker. It's on it. It looks like it's sitting a lot leveler than it was when it was in the shop. So this is his test drive, and we're hoping it works out so he doesn't have to call AAA kind of bring him home. Oh yeah, he also put the bumper off the other Jeep on this one too, so things are changing. Well, there it goes. Hope for the best. So we're gonna test drive. If I don't get a call, I guess we're good to go.